so good. It's Monday in the morning, 7 o'clock. We are going to the gym. Someone is accompanying me because I know he's not gonna do anything. But we'll see. The gym is not his thing. Anyways, let's go to the gym. I don't know if it's possible to take you guys with me, but yeah, that's it. I'm wearing this top from New Yorker, Next, which is Mr. Price, and Nike Techies. Let's go try this out. Back at home. Oh my god, it's been a long day. We left around 10 and now it's 17:54. We've been on our foot the whole day. I'm so tired, but the girl found a South African shop, guys. And I found Nandos, London, my dear. Oh my god. A friend of mine once said, oh, Nandos, it's not the same here as South African, but I like to disagree with that one. This was good. This reminded me of home exactly. Anyways, let me show you guys what I got today. Anyways, today I got 2 compliments, hey? I got 2 compliments. I'll put a picture here for my outfit that I was wearing today. Like, I thought it was just basic. And then the lady came to me, oh, we're coming across like this. And I was, oh my God, you look so good. I love your outfit. I'm like, thank you, girl. Thank you. And another one. And on the restaurants, we went for brunch in the morning. It was about 11 past 11. When we get to the restaurant, I ordered a mimosa. My man ordered matcha. And then they came and asked to see my ID because I look so young to drink alcohol. I'm like, what? So they say, I'm sorry, but it's the law. We have to check your ID. Oh my God, but I was like, okay, that's a compliment, by the way. That is a compliment. Anyways, let me show you guys what I've got. Oh my God, angazi ukuthi le mthwalo siyiphatha ngani. Nami angazi, but you know, suhlaba ngoku. If you know me, you know this is my favorite drink. Anytime, any day, my darling. Congress. This is for my kids. So I'm gonna carry this for my kids. Take this home for my kids. Stony! And we got a ginger ale in at Nandos. It was similar as Stony. I got the bigger one. And what is this? Uku. Chakalaka baba. Oh, guys, you have no idea how excited I am today. Lynch juice and oh yeah, we bought 2 stones and ubatikile. Bawukhulele ubatikile. Umuntu kumele ebuye in London, kumele ebuye umuntu in London. And I spoke myself today. I went for shopping. I went to House of CB. Oh my God, I got a nice outfit here, and I've got the amazing outfit for here. This was worth it. This, whoo, the way I'm so excited today. Anyways, I'm gonna do another video for trying on this outfit. Right now we are really tired. We're not even going for dinner because we're full, and we take some of the Nandos with us. What we're gonna do is just gonna chill at 7. We're gonna go to the pool, chill at the pool with the glasses and the champagne and the prosecco, and then yeah, until 10 because it's closes at 10. Then we come back. Then tomorrow I think we're gonna go to what do you call it? And during the day, in the bridge or
Portobello Market maybe.
No. We discuss that we're going to the
Yes, sir.
London Eye. Yeah, we're gonna go to London Eye. Then later we go to weekend. All right, guys.
50 some days.
Love you. Hi guys, it's the later evening. It's 8:30. Yeah, 8:45 now. We are at the pool. We are having fun, drinking bubbles, and just relaxing. I'm wearing the swimsuit from Shein. Yeah, nothing much. I'm just checking up on you guys. I'm just checking in, you know. I'm blushing because my man is looking at me. He's just looking at me and smiling. I don't know if it's alcohol or it's just this next to him, you know? Good morning! Hi guys! Let's do this unboxing we've been waiting for. Last but not least, we have this amazing outfit. This is the showstopper. Okay, when you talk about showstopper, you're talking about something like this, my darling. This is wild twisted leg tailored pants, and this is original leather jackets, like biker coats. Oh my god, look at this. Snatched waist, pants, everything. Coats is size small, size 8, pants is size small. This was the last one, but they had another color with this, which was like two-pair brown. So yeah, how do you like it? How do you love this? Anyways, before we finish, let's elevate this look a bit. What do you think? Listen, I look like I'm going to London Fashion Week or to the Awards, something like that. Look at this. Forget about the mishmash colors, but this is what we have for now, okay? This is what we're going to play with. You. The detail, look at this. And the jacket has silver details, so you can just play around with silver jewelry. I think even the gold can go well with this. So yeah, this is my showstopper. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, and do not view without liking. Please, that's really important. Can you please like, comment down below which one was your favorite, and kulungelaka. Bye. Thank you. Let's go watch a fashion show. Hey guys, last but not least, we have this Vista jewelry. Yeah, I think this is 2 things here. These cute earrings. They're like £12. Oh, this beautiful gold beauty was £14. This one was stainless steel earrings, weigh £12, and they are the same with this one. Also, not exactly the same, but similar. £12 as well. And here we have the ring. I got this beautiful ring, which was how much is it? £12 as well. Altogether this costed like £43 if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, that's it all, you guys. Thank you guys so much, and don't forget to comment down below which outfit was your favorite and which one you love the most, right? So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and kulungile, bye.